Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Districts 37 series of training videos for secretaries and treasurers. We are calling these our snapshot videos. They're short 10 to 20 minute videos on how to do a specific task. Today, we are going to do filing our taxes with the IRS. You have to do this every year. You have 5 months after your normal year-end date for your to file your taxes. You will need some more information to do this, but we will walk you through that to start with, and I'll show you some websites and we'll include them with the videos. So first of all, you can go to this site to find out. If you don't know, you'll need your EIN or TIN. They're basically the same thing. They call them different things. I don't know why. That is your employer identification number or your tax identification number. If you don't know that, you can search to see under this tax exempt organization search tools on the IRS webpage. To see if you can find your EIN number. So basically, since you don't know that, you can search for Kalispell, Montana, search term. We can search for organization name, and we can search for Lions. I can type properly. And it has returned. These clubs are all listed under the International Association of Lions for the clubs. So, for example, this came up with the Kalispell Sunrisers, and unfortunately, several of them aren't listed, but we can go look and see which one is which. So this would be the Kalispell Lions Club, my Lions Club, and it tells us which years that the tax reports have been filed for. You can, so for example, if you hit this screen, basically your EIN has been revoked, your tax status, and you will have to go through a process of contacting the IRS to get that done again and start filing your taxes. Anyway, so now that we found our EIN, so this is my club here, 81-02. So a lot of times I'll copy those. Next step would be to go to the 990 filing page, which is under this one. It's small exempt organizations, 990 ME postcard. It is a very simple process, but you do need, if you have not, or your previous treasurer has not, you will need to set up an account before you are able to file. And that's the filing one. Again, here's the, you can call the IRS number if you're having problems with that. So anyway, there are some exceptions, but basically now your gross receipts, in other words, the money that you would have coming into your club, if it is less than $50,000 a year, you are able to file this 990N. If it's greater than that, you will need to file different forms, and you can look them up on this page on how the process is, what you need to file. They get a little more complicated, but again, most clubs will fit under this without any issues. If you don't have an account, you can click this register, how to register. There's a guide on how to do it. So there's a user guide. We'll include that. Once you've got that set up and you're registered, you basically submit this Form 990N button right here. Then this account you had created, you will enter the account name and password. And it has a deal that so you can remember. But now, unfortunately, I have submitted, it tells you when you were logged in. Unfortunately, I have submitted this year's taxes for our club, but you can edit them. The e-postcard profile is basically the information about your club. It shows your EIN and everything else. If you haven't been filing under your profile, you'll need to fill your EIN out and add it right here with your EIN. Anyway, then you would go to a new filing, your EIN, continue. This is giving me the error because I actually have filed for this year. But you would continue. It is going to ask you 2 questions to actually finish the filing. The first question will be is your organization still in, are you still an organization still in business? Are you still a Lions Club? You say yes. The next question is, did you make less than $50,000 gross income? You answer yes, we did, and then that'll basically be there'll be another button to complete it. It'll go into the status page. It'll say pending, as I just did. I clicked get updated status. Now it says accepted. So our return for last year was accepted. Our fiscal year is a little different than most, so you'll notice that the end date of ours is 12/31. Most clubs, your fiscal year end date will be June 30th. So for this year, you would file sometime after the 30th of June. Again, my name is District Governor Mike Collins. Feel free to reach out and contact me at area code 406-871-4176, or my email is Mike A. Collins, MikeACollins at bresnan.net, BRESNAN.net. Thanks for attending and have a great day.